Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a MetaMask wallet in a minute. So the first thing that you will have to do is look for the MetaMask official website, and then you will just have to click download, which is right here, and then just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will do is you will click um, web, which is right here, and then you will click open web app, and then you will be redirected here. So what you will do is you will click connect MetaMask, and we'll just wait for it to load. And then what you will have to do is click create a new wallet. And now you can either continue with your Google or with your Apple. So it really depends on you. And yeah, that's basically just it. What you will have to do is you will, after you click either continue with Google or with Apple, you will just have to choose no or thanks or I agree if MetaMask asks you if you want to share usage data. And then of course you will have to create your strong password. It should be unique, complex, and safe. And then MetaMask will show a 12-word secret recovery phrase. You will just have to write this down on paper, keep it offline, and never share it. And then you will confirm your recovery phrase in the correct order. And that's basically just it. Your wallet is ready, and you will see your wallet address, which you can use to receive crypto. And that's it. Your MetaMask wallet is ready to receive crypto and connect to Web3. Thank you and have an amazing day.